Exactly what we needed. And it kept us from having to upgrade to another device at AT&T store, because that's all they want to do, is force you into additional purchases instead of fixing the problem and actually helping a customer. I bought this battery to replace the one in our AT&T hotspot. It was a good value. Battery works as said. Doesn't hold charge unless plugged in wall, but gets the job done. Battery went dead in my Wi-Fi device. Needed to replace the battery in our Netgear, and this was the perfect fit. It arrived quickly, so we were able to get back online and back to business as usual. Same exact battery as one I was replacing. Price was fair. Time will tell quality. Shipped quick. Product solved our issues. Click link in description for more reviews.